Hey y'all, Randy back with another video. Sorry I'm a little sick right now, but in this video we're continuing on the Colorado Backcountry Discovery route. This is my fourth video, so if you haven't seen the other three, check those out as well. But in this one we head up Hurricane Pass, head up California Pass, which is 12,900 feet, and then check out Animas Forks, which is a cool ghost town. So, and we end up near Lake City in the end of this video, but hope you guys enjoy, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed.
Back's a little tight, huh?
Just a little bit. Made it up Hurricane Pass, 12,730 feet.
Wall hanger. Somebody's in the garage.
Made it to the highest point of our trip, California Pass, 12,900 feet. What do you think, Nick?
It's pretty high. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
This is definitely my favorite part so far.
Yeah, definitely
That's sweet.
favorite part. And it's only 9:10 a.m.
Literally the first leg.
about these structures, it probably makes... So this is the rather famous mining community of Animas Forks. Lots of buildings around here. We can stop if anybody wants to walk around. There's one up here on the right side that's relatively intact, but this is definitely a pretty famous area for.
They didn't have treated lumber, right?
That's old folks something though, right?
Yeah. Old cedar was already treated.
View right here. Pretty crazy. Oh yeah, the avalanches were probably bad ones too.
Call OSHA. He tripped on the threshold, call OSHA. This is crazy.
It was a little slanted over here. First they would have chose cedar, but it's fine. Crazy like the door handles are still on it and everything. Are they going upstairs? Oh god, I'm getting out of here. All right, so the tour you just got of the inside of that one place was called the, what is it called?
Animas Forks.
Animas Forks.
Mine and Ghost Town.
Mine and Ghost Town. So, a little spooky, but can't complain since sitting right out here. Beautiful mountain range. But yeah, would recommend, pretty cool. Tour of the upstairs and downstairs. I'm just surprised the door handles were still attached.
Yeah, pretty intact.
So, pretty cool to see.
They built it well.
Well built, American made. Made from some nice trees around the old parts. Yeah, it was really cool. Randy's eating his muffin.
Muppet.
He's just gonna follow my line, probably.
Oh my god, I'm dropping my muffin. Oh my god.
Got a white
Drop us
pickup
off the
ahead of
cliff.
me going in the same direction as us. I think we're slowly creeping up on him, but we'll just figure it out when we get there.
That's crazy. You gotta do what you gotta do when you're hungry. Randy's not him without his muffin. I'm holding on to our beef stick up here so we don't lose that. Essentials.
Into the mining town there. Take that back.
The other one's better because it's nerdy.
Nice.
Yeah, I think it is. I'm actually pretty surprised we don't see mountain goats there. You know, whites are pretty easy to see.
Yeah.
And this is like
Side by sides parked up here on the left.
prime area for
This is so cool.
it. Sure it is.
The whole way pretty much has been amazing. I had high expectations and these blew it out of the water.
Did it really?
Yeah.
That's cool. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, that's a pretty special place. Live. I don't like that live mode.
Why, you don't want them to hear about your Speedo?
No. I make a bunch of people jealous. I might get a lot of followers then. Oh, he's got his banana hammock out there.
Stop for lunch at this beautiful lake by Lake City. Nick was driving Tom's Jeep there for a while. He was ripping. First time ever off-roading, they let him lead and drive in a Jeep. That's crazy. Yeah, just had some lunch here. I think we're gonna go to Lake City, get fueled up, and then I don't know after that. Maybe start looking for camp or keep going for a while. Not sure what those guys want to do, but yeah, a lot of fun so far.